Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can completely remove the user login screen from your Windows 11 computer so that when you first start your computer it just loads up straight away. This is super easy and straightforward to do. We just need to follow 3 simple steps. First thing you need to do is come to the Start menu and search for Settings, and tap on the Settings icon. Then from the left hand side you want to select Accounts, come inside of Accounts and then scroll all the way down, come into Sign In Options and scroll down to Additional Settings, and inside of here there'll be a field which says if you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again. You need to change this drop down box to Never, and we'll need to enter our password for our account in order to make these changes. We can then close out of this tab, and next thing we're going to do is come back to the Start menu and search for CMD, and you need to right click on the command prompt and make sure to run as administrator. Now inside of here you need to type in the following command. I'm just going to bring up my notepad and I'm going to copy and paste this command. And what I'll do is I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come in and copy and paste this yourself. And once you've pasted in this command, it should say the operation completed successfully and we can close out of this window. Then the very last thing we're going to do is come back to the Start menu and search for Run. And tap on the Run icon. Then inside of here you need to type in netplwiz and hit enter. And at the top of this window, you'll see a checkbox here where it says users must enter a username or password to use this computer. We just want to deselect this checkbox, and we can press apply and OK to save those changes. Once again, you may need to enter your password in order for these changes to take place. Once we've hit OK, we can then restart our computer, and that would have completely removed the login screen from your computer. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.